There's no tool in there, but that's running at 50%. Here's 100. This is 25. And we've got a 2005 VF-4SS. That's a super speed. Under power right now. It's running a warm-up cycle. It also has an HRT-310 Rotary table attachment. Chip conveyor, Renishaw probe system, as well as the tool setter. That's affixed to the table right now. I don't want to open this window because I'll get wet, but it's on the end of the table. I bought this machine new. It was my first. I purchased it in Toronto from Circo Machinery. That's the Haas factory outlet machinery tool supplier, and they have serviced it for me since I moved it down here a year ago. Oh, I upgraded. This used to be a diskette drive. I upgraded it to a USB drive. And the SS comes with high intensity lighting.